Here's exactly how to set up your TikTok account in under 60 seconds. First, download the TikTok app from the App Store. Open up the TikTok app. If you land on default login screen, just look down and tap sign up at the very bottom. You can continue with your email, you can log in with Facebook, Apple, or Google. Enter your birthday, continue, okay. Create a name, you can hit skip for now, and you're logged in. Got it?
Ding dong, I know you.
You may receive a verification code in your inbox that you have to use to secure your account. And boom, your account is officially live. From here, choose whether you want to personalize ads and tap your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Hit edit profile to easily upload a profile picture and create a custom username. It's really that simple. If this guide helped you out, drop a like and hit subscribe for more straight to the point tutorials.